Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a beautiful 1962 Chevrolet pickup, 5-window. Absolutely gorgeous truck. It is a beautiful blue color. Paint is in great condition. The interior is a black, half fabric, half leather. Go ahead and take a peek here. Got the wood slats in the back, of course. But then check out the interior on this car. Super clean, very, very fresh. And this car really gets up and goes. It is a sleeper for sure. We'll hop up here into the driver's seat, take a look at the clusters, pop the hood, take it for a spin, put her on the hoist. It is automatic. Let's see if I can get that to not be so bright. Nope, it's glaring. All right, here we go. Take the 5-window for a quick spin. Got some serious power on here. Woo. And we got a guy in front of us going a little slow, but awesome driver. Steering wheel is nice and tight. Power steering, very responsive. Acceleration is awesome on this car. You can really get them wheels spinning. We're going to kind of hold off a little bit and go ahead and do a little takeoff here.